Welcome to the most exciting coin discovery of your life. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and ultra-rare bicentennial coins, an ordinary-looking coin with the power to make you a millionaire overnight. If you've got this hidden gem in your pocket, your entire future could change in an instant. Let's unlock the secrets behind this legendary piece of treasure. First up, a giant, holding a tiny, unassuming coin that most people wouldn't glance at twice. It's the 2019 Jefferson nickel, a 5-cent piece that could silently be worth millions. Yes, you read that right. This isn't just currency. It's a lottery ticket in disguise, tucked quietly in circulation, waiting for the right hands to uncover it. In today's high-stakes collectibles market, certain versions of this coin are fetching unimaginable sums. If you have it, you could be holding the key to overnight wealth. This isn't just pocket change, it's life-changing. Not every 2019 Jefferson nickel is worth a fortune, but specific rare variants are. These include error coins, like the ones with dramatic off-center strikes, double dies, or those minted on the wrong planche. These minting mistakes are incredibly scarce, and collectors pay a premium for them. When these errors occur on modern coins like the 2019 nickel, it adds a layer of mystery and rarity that numismatists crave. And rarity, as we know, is the lifeblood of value in the coin world. The most valuable of these 2019 Jefferson nickels are those struck with jaw-dropping mint errors, coins that defy logic. Imagine a nickel struck on a penny blank. It's not supposed to exist, yet it does. Or a coin with a perfectly visible double image of Jefferson's portrait. These aren't just mistakes. They're miracles in metal, and collectors are willing to shell out vast fortunes for them. Prices have soared into the hundreds of thousands, and for coins in pristine condition, they've cracked the $1 million ceiling. Condition is king in numismatics. If your 2019 Jefferson nickel has never been touched by human hands, never scratched, and gleams like the day it was minted, it may be a mint state 70, MS70. That's perfection in coin grading, the holy grail. Combine a rare mint error with an MS70 grade and you're holding something far rarer than gold. Collectors with deep pockets compete fiercely for these pristine rarities, and auctions have proven they'll stop at nothing to own them. Sometimes it's the tiniest detail that separates a common coin from a millionaire maker. Look closely. Is the word liberty doubled? Are there strange lines, missing elements, or misalignments? These small quirks can mean big dollars. The 2019 Jefferson nickel has a few known varieties, and some are still being discovered. With the market hungry for modern rarities, even an obscure variation can spark bidding wars among elite collectors. Owning a $1 million coin isn't just about instant wealth. It's about joining a legacy, a lineage of legendary collectors, dealers, and historians. The 2019 nickel has already made its way into elite showcases and private vaults. It's a symbol of serendipity, an ordinary object turned extraordinary by chance and rarity. Those who discover one aren't just lucky, they're part of a modern-day treasure hunt rewriting numismatic history. If you possess a 2019 Jefferson nickel with unusual features, do not, under any circumstance, let it go cheaply. Pawn shops and casual collectors may offer pennies on the dollar. Don't fall for it. Get it professionally graded, authenticated, and evaluated by experts. It might just be your ticket to a new life. Many stories exist of people who unknowingly spent fortunes on candy or coffee. Don't let that be your fate. This coin could have the power to shatter the ceiling of your financial destiny. The millionaire in your hands right now, someone is walking around with a $1 million nickel in their wallet, completely unaware. It could be you. That humble coin, the 2019 Jefferson nickel, carries the weight of fortunes. It proves that in a world of glitz and glitter, the most powerful wealth can come in the smallest, most overlooked form. So check your change, inspect every nickel. Because if you find that coin, the one with the rare error, the perfect shine, the unspoken story, you're not just holding 5 cents, you're holding a fortune. Second, what if I told you that a simple 2016 Jefferson nickel, a coin worth only 5 cents, might secretly be your golden ticket to an entirely new life? This isn't fiction. It's a chilling truth buried in everyday pockets and drawers. Across America, a few of these coins are not just rare, they are beyond rare. They are anomalies of minting history. freak accidents, or intentional test strikes. And if you own the right one, it could be worth millions, even hundreds of millions in today's feverish collector's market. The 2016 Jefferson nickel might look ordinary on the outside, but it holds a secret beneath the surface. While millions of these coins were mass-produced, a microscopic number came out of the U.S. Mint with unimaginable features, such as extreme double dyes, off-metal strikes, or experimental finishes that were never meant to circulate. These coins are the rarest royalty of modern U.S. currency, slipping through the cracks unnoticed, waiting for the right person to discover their hidden power. Mistakes at the mint can create monsters of value. One 2016 Jefferson nickel, with a double-struck portrait or struck on a foreign planche, could instantly be valued at a fortune. Combine that with perfect condition, and you're looking at a coin that may never have a price ceiling. Private collectors and elite investors go wild over these unknown treasures. Some have been known to offer open checks, name your price, just to secure a one-of-a-kind error from this mysterious year. What sets a 5-cent coin apart from a $5 million prize is two simple things: rarity and condition. If your 2016 nickel has been protected, untouched, shimmering in mint brilliance, and on top of that, carries a jaw-dropping mint error, you're sitting on explosive value. Coins graded MS-70, perfect condition, with rare errors, are nearly priceless. Auction houses across the world tremble when one appears, because collectors come ready with million-dollar bids. Every collector dreams of finding the one, the unicorn of modern coins. The 2016 nickel has become that dream. With errors like ghost doubling, mirror dyes, and even reverse misalignments, some versions of this coin have become legends whispered among serious numismatists. The true value isn't always visible to the untrained eye. But once discovered and authenticated, these coins jump from pocket change to museum-level artifacts. If you find a 2016 Jefferson nickel that looks even slightly unusual, don't ignore it. Don't spend it. Don't give it away. You might be holding something rarer than a winning lottery ticket. Get it examined, graded, and preserved. Even a small detail like a missing mint mark or blurred inscription could mean the coin was a mint. Experiment, now worth a fortune. Remember, the richest secrets are hidden in plain sight, and this nickel is a perfect example. Thousands of life-changing coins have been spent unknowingly on snacks or sodas. Don't make that mistake. If you have a 2016 nickel with a brilliant shine, an odd strike, or anything unusual about it, treat it like a diamond. The coin collecting world is more competitive than ever, and these modern rarities are skyrocketing in demand. A coin once ignored as common could now pay off a mansion, a yacht, maybe even set you up for generations. Right now, someone has a 2016 Jefferson nickel in their home that could make them a billionaire, and they don't even know it. It might be you. That tiny disc of metal has the power to rewrite destiny. It carries more than 5 cents of value. It carries the possibility of freedom, wealth, and legacy. So before you spend that next nickel, pause, inspect, and remember, fortune doesn't always come wrapped in gold. Sometimes it jingles quietly in your pocket, waiting to be found. Third, imagine a single coin. A 2017 Jefferson nickel, minted in Denver, marked with a tiny D, having the power to flip your entire life upside down. Not in a bad way, but in the kind of way that wakes you up as a regular person and puts you to sleep as a billionaire. Yes, you heard that right. This 5-cent piece, hiding in your wallet or couch cushion, could hold a secret so rare and powerful that it could unleash unimaginable wealth into your hands. It's not just a coin, it's a golden key to a fortune. While millions of 2017 nickels were produced at the Denver Mint, only a microscopic number contained bizarre and valuable minting errors. These aren't just coins, they're freaks of fortune. The kind that slip through unnoticed, only to later surface as legends. Some carry doubled portraits, others feature missing inscriptions, rotated dies, or are struck on the wrong metal planches altogether. These are the coins collectors dream of, the ones worth more than luxury cars, beachfront homes, or even oil wells. Sometimes, perfection is found in error. One of the most exciting things about the 2017 D. Jefferson nickel is the mystery surrounding its rare error versions. Imagine a coin struck twice, or one missing the Liberty engraving, or a nickel minted on a copper penny blank. These rare mistakes, whether due to pressure shifts, plancher errors, or double dies, instantly multiply a coin's value by thousands. In perfect condition, some are rumored to be worth over $5 million. Yes, for just one nickel. Now take one of those rare error nickels and imagine it being perfectly preserved. Not a single scratch, fingerprint, or blemish. That's what the coin world calls a mint state 70, MS70. When rare errors meet perfect condition, the price soars beyond logic. Collectors line up, dealers call in from around the world, and auctions explode into bidding wars. One verified, MS70, 2017 D nickel with a rare error could be the single most valuable modern coin ever created. That's the wildest part of this story. You could already have this coin. Most people never inspect their change. But hidden among the everyday nickels are a handful of treasures, just waiting to be noticed. Look closely. Is there doubling in the words? Is the portrait shifted? Is the metal color strange? If you spot any of these, don't spend it. You could be holding a 7-figure miracle in your hands, a coin that could erase all your debts and fulfill your dreams in a heartbeat. The market for modern rare coins is red hot, and the 2017 D Jefferson nickel is right at the center of that frenzy. High-level collectors and coin dealers are desperate to find the best preserved error nickels from this year. Some will pay anything to own one, not just for profit, but for pride, prestige, and placement in elite private collections. Owning one of these is like owning the rarest sports card or art masterpiece. It places you in a very exclusive circle of wealth and history. Every year, people unknowingly spend rare coins for a cup of coffee or a bag of chips. Tragic, isn't it? A billion-dollar future, gone for a snack. Don't let that be your story. If you spot something off or unusual about your 2017 D nickel, protect it. Don't clean it. Don't sell it for less. Get it graded by professionals and confirm what you might be holding. The tiniest imperfection could be the clue to your hidden treasure. We live in a world where fortunes are often hidden in the ordinary. The 2017 D Jefferson nickel is one of those modern miracles. A small coin with the potential to open massive doors. Whether it's an error, a misprint, or an ultra-rare variety, this humble 5-cent piece might just be your destiny disguised in metal. So check your change, examine every detail, and remember, sometimes, the universe hides the greatest treasures in the palm. Fourth, there are coins, and then there are legends. The 2018 Jefferson nickel might seem like ordinary change, a simple 5-cent piece resting in wallets or falling between couch cushions. But hidden among these nickels is a version so rare, so mystifying that it could change your life in an instant. If you're lucky enough to hold one of these, you aren't just carrying a coin. You're gripping a key to unimaginable wealth. Yes, this tiny, overlooked coin has the power to crown an overnight billionaire minted in 2018. Millions of Jefferson nickels were produced across the US, but only a handful were born different. These rare error coins are not the result of accidents, but freak events. Double strikes, die breaks, missing inscriptions, or even off-metal compositions. A 2018 nickel struck on the wrong plancher, say a penny or foreign coin blank, could instantly leap from 5 cents to $5 million or more. That's no exaggeration. That's the raw power of minting anomalies combined with modern scarcity. Some people assume only old antique coins have value. But in truth, modern coins like the 2018 nickel have flipped that idea upside down. Because of today's advanced minting technology, any significant error is extremely rare. That means a true 2018 nickel error, especially in high condition, becomes a modern marvel, a one-in-a-billion masterpiece worth more than diamonds. A perfect blend of timing, luck, and unnoticed rarity makes these nickels the true golden ticket of our era. The holy grail in coin collecting is a coin graded MS70, meaning it's in flawless, untouched, mint state condition. If you find a rare 2018 nickel and it's MS70, the value doesn't just rise, it rockets. You're not looking at hundreds or thousands of dollars. You're looking at offers that could start at 7 figures, sometimes without an upper limit. Some collectors want these perfect coins so badly, they'll outbid each other in private sales, just for the bragging rights of owning one. Right now, millions of 2018 nickels are out there. They've been handed out as change, tossed in tip jars, or left forgotten in drawers. And among them, maybe in your own pocket, is a life-changing treasure. Look for nickels with anything odd. Off-center designs, missing details, unusual color, or doubling in the text. Those tiny flaws could mean your coin is one of the rarest ever minted, and it could turn into a fortune if you recognize it before it's too late. While you read this, collectors, dealers, and coin hunters around the world are searching frantically for the rarest modern nickels. And the 2018 edition is one of the most hunted. Coins certified by PCGS or NGC, with errors from this year, are exploding in price and value. Auctions are heating up, private collectors are offering blank checks. This is not just a hobby, it's a high-stakes treasure hunt, and the next massive find could be hiding right in your hands. Many people unknowingly spend rare coins every year, not realizing they just handed over a fortune for a bottle of soda or a cup of coffee. If you have a 2018 nickel that looks different or shines unusually bright, stop. Don't spend it. Don't clean it. Instead, have it authenticated and graded. A simple verification could reveal you're holding one of the rarest coins of the decade. A coin that turns ordinary people into instant millionaires. This isn't just a coin. It's a symbol of hidden fortune. A reminder that incredible luck often hides in the most overlooked places. The 2018 Jefferson nickel could be your miracle waiting to be discovered. Your financial breakthrough might be sitting in your pocket right now. So check your change, examine every detail, and remember, sometimes the smallest things carry the greatest power. And in this case, 5 cents could unlock your billion-dollar future.